That's cute. Hi, Maisie. Hi, Maisie. Whew. No, no, stay up here. It's dirty down there. You're supposed to come into Home Depot and look like you don't know what you're doing. That's how you can get a man. But I think you're also supposed to dress cute and look cute. Okay, friends, here's a DIY update, and I'm looking super DIY today. Thought I was gonna be able to sand everything. Turns out for lots of reasons I can't, and so I had to instead get, by the advice of a questionable source actually, I had to get, you know, like chemical paint stripping stuff, which I'm not really happy about. Anyway, oops, I chose this because it smells cute, it said. So we got that, and we got, you know, the gloves, heavy duty, and some cloths, and some other stuff. So anyway, we're gonna get out there and do this, but first I gotta go put my DIY outfit back on. The DIY is happening. That is the coat of the paint stripper on top of the door frame. I'm a little hesitant about this because I never wanted to have to use paint stripper, but here we are. So now we just have to wait for like 30 minutes and see what happens. Let's do a DIY fit check. Okay. Rain boots from Amazon. This number that stops oddly short but also too long. It's from an Instagram shop. And I loved it so much at the time. I got two of the same one. Oh, don't forget this. Scissors from Amazon. Gloves from Home Depot. Okay. You guys, I'm laughing because one time I put on my Hinge profile that my weekends look like a picture of me at the one movie premiere I went to one time. My weekends look like when I was at a movie premiere, but this is actually what my weekends look like. This. Okay, so we're just gonna start scraping and see what happens. Look. It's coming off. But there's more. So I'll have to do more. Okie dokie. Like I'm regretting the whole DIY thing. So while the second layer of the paint stripper is working on the first side of the first door downstairs, I came back upstairs to watch Alexander Gator and get some more inspiration and remember why I started this whole project in the first place. I took a break to walk Kingsley and get some dinner, and I have a possible update that I'm going to share with you guys in a minute here, so you'll want to come back for this. So you guys, I was out doing that last round of paint stripping and I had this thought that I should measure this opening here, double check that it goes with the doors. So if I measure this opening, it's about 59 inches across. Okay, DIY outfit is back on. That means we mean business. measure this door. The deal is we need 2 of these to equal about 59 inches, okay? That's the deal. Okay, ready? So measure from one end to the other. And I'm just gonna show you guys. Come here. I think this needs to be seen. Oops, for yourself. Okay, hold on. You just wait. Okay. Can you guys see that? That says about 23 and a half. Now, I'm no math wizard, but that's a solid difference of about what? 13 inches? What does this tell you guys? This tells you exactly the thought I had in my head when I was like, what if the French doors I have don't fit my exact apartment? And I don't think they do. Not me thinking every French door situation in this apartment would be the same. This building was built in 1920. Of course they didn't do every one unit the same. Oh my God. So I'm basically in the middle of refurbishing 2 French doors for one of my neighbors. I'm drinking a nice Aperol Spritz. I am in neither the Home Depot outfit or the DIY outfit, which tells you I have hung up the paint scrapers. Lost a nail in the process, guys. Spent $80 that I won't get back now because I somehow threw the receipt away for stuff I won't need now because the French doors don't work in my apartment. Okay. I knew I should have thought about this twice because one, I made this decision on a whim, literally laying in bed sick, watching Alexandra Gator going, I can do this. I know. I want French doors back in my apartment. And then 2, the whole time, I'm not kidding you, it went over and over my head. The whole time as I was paint stripping and doing things, I was like, I feel like Swifties are DIYers. And like that's like a common similarity, or like, you know, line that runs through. Swiftie, DIYer is like same type of person. And I'm not a Swiftie. So I clearly am not a DIYer. And I mean, I'd like to think that if I had the opportunity to continue this project, that I would have nailed it. That I would have really made some beautiful French doors. But we will never know. We will never know. Now, you're probably wondering, like, well, where do those French doors go if they don't fit, you know, my kitchen doorway? As I was, like, commiserating, one of my neighbors walked in. In fact, the neighbor who has been here the longest, she's been here since the early 90s. She's like, what are you doing? And I told her, and she's like, oh, yeah, sorry. Those are the doors to my kitchen because it's smaller. If only I had run into her like 24 hours ago. Better luck next time, kids. Okay, you guys, I'm watching this after the stripping debacle today. Paint stripping, not stripping. But watch.
Oh, I wish we knew what was coming for us.
I should have watched this first.
So the first thing we're doing is reading the instructions. Avoid working in direct sunlight or wind. Protective eyewear. Heavy body.
It's like they didn't know what they were doing either, you guys.
My dad started this.
Same.
finish it. So we are finished.
I don't feel that bad actually
It
now.
looks like we need a tray to put this in.
I did pretty good.
What the direction? Going section by section.
Yeah.